Santa Cruz de Tenerife is situated at the eastern tip of the island of Tenerife, the largest of the Canary Island chain. Is the island's capital and shared capital of the Canary Island. Its deep natural harbor has historically led to a period of wealth, and many fine historic buildings can be seen in the city. Even today, the harbor is one of the busiest in Spain and is also an important harbor for the cruise ships which visit Tenerife from around the world. Santa Cruz's main beach is Los Terracitas, which is a fine golden beach courtesy of millions of tons of sand from the Sahara Desert. With palm trees and a backdrop of the Enoga Mountains, it is considered the most beautiful beach on Tenerife. Santa Cruz is a lively and bright city. Its best-known celebration is Carnival, to the point of being declared a festivity of international tourist interest. Its streets welcome visitors to spend time out of doors and take walks through the park thanks to a lovely average annual temperature of 21.2 degrees. From the time of the first colonization to the 21st century, the island has undergone a series of changes and has transitioned through a variety of architectural styles that are plain to see as you walk through its streets. The various construction styles, from Baroque to Neoclassicism, through modernism and summer post-war architecture, produce a certain beauty of this city. Traditional styles are timeless. This is especially true in the field of architecture. It is for this reason that meandering around Tenerife's old town centers is such a rewarding experience. Tenerife's capital is also famous for its annual carnival. Occurring in the spring, it is the second biggest in the world after Rio de Janeiro's and is 2 weeks of wild and flamboyant parties, processions and celebrations. However, there is still plenty to see and do all year round. The economy of Santa Cruz relies mainly on services. Trade, tourism, import-export, the seaport and the presence of the major political and financial institutions, as well as the most important companies, guarantee a strong economic activity and development. Santa Cruz has regenerated many areas of the city and modernized its infrastructure, built brand new areas, malls, high buildings and some charismatic structures. Backing onto a superb range of undulating hills, this holy Spanish city is home to evocative, brightly painted buildings, grand and historic architecture, sophisticated and quirky shops, riveting museums and art galleries, a show-stopping auditorium, flashes of bold and vibrant street art, and a tropical oasis of birdsong, fountains and greenery in the city park. City has lots to offer, perhaps most recognizable on the island.